guys, welcome back to Pots Mama Bear. Today we are going to be doing another build and grow kit from Lowe's. And in this video we have Tracy, and he is going to be helping me build a birdhouse. So again, this is from Lowe's, and we are going to open this up and take everything out and show you guys how to put this together. We will be right back. Okay guys, so here is everything that comes with this birdhouse kit. Everything that you see does have pre-existing holes, so that way little ones can actually put it together. Has little suction cups. It can maybe go on a window or something outside, unless you want to put it, I don't know. Inside. But anyways, it does have little suction cups. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we are going to pull the sticker off, and then we're going to open the instructions. I have had these for quite a while, so they have been put or they've been through some stuff, so bear with me as we try to open this. I don't want it to rip, but it's ripping anyways. We can still kind of see the instructions a little bit. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to take the bottom, which is this piece right here, has the pre-existing holes, and we are actually going to take the sides and put them just like this, and we're going to sorry, we need nails. We need to open the nails first. Okay, so here are the nails. We're gonna put them on the paper. Now all we're gonna do is we're gonna take the short nails, which actually these are the long nails. So the difference between these ones are a lot different than the race car one, because you have a little bit, or you have the longer ones, but then you got the really short ones. And I think there's only two sizes in here. Yep, there's only two sizes in here. So these are the ones, the really long ones are the ones that you want to use for this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take one side and we're going to put the nail into the pre-existing holes like that. Then we're gonna take, the other one and put that in the other hole. And then we're going to let Tracy, let me lift my phone a little bit higher. Okay. Hit it a little bit harder. Oh, no, not like that. Like this. Okay. Okay. Don't lift it up so high, but just like this. Okay. So now we're going to take the other side, and we're going to do the same thing with this piece of wood. We're gonna again take the longer screws. Hold on. Okay.
the other side. It's not put up yet. But it's not
We'll
Bam, bam, bam.
hit them in a little bit. Okay. Now that that part is done, we're going to take the small one, the thinner little piece. This one's yours.
Okay.
And we are going to take that and put it on the top. And these ones are supposed to be the long the long nails. We're just going to make sure that they go into the wood and into the pre-existing holes. So there's no, you want to put one in?
Yeah.
Go ahead. This one.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
You're stuck.
Okay. And then we're just, you want to try it again?
Yeah. Can I have
Okay,
one?
hold on. Let me. Okay. Like this. And then. Okay, go ahead and do that one. Okay.
It's not done yet.
Okay, I am so sorry about all the noise. So now what we're going to do is you're going to do the back panels, and that is these pieces right here. And we're just going to put those where the pre-existing holes are, just like the other ones. And these ones are actually the shorter nails.
Which one are the shorter nails?
The little ones.
Is
Yep.
it this one?
Yeah. So we are going to make sure that these go into the pre-existing holes that are right here. Oops.
Now, what's your other one? It's this one?
Yeah, the little ones. And then we're just going to continue to do that and hope that these are going in the right one or the right way. Okay, this one is being weird. Okay. And then here's the last one. Okay, hold on. Hold on just a second.
Okay.
Let me put them in there. Okay, go ahead.
Is there any more?
Mm-hmm. There, like this. And then okay. So I'm just gonna go through and make sure that these are in there. And then now what we're gonna do is it says to slide these little suction cups in there.
Ooh. Like
Okay.
this.
Push it that way. Towards you. Or pull it towards you.
This way?
Yeah, pull it. There you go. Okay.
And
So
the-
now, which I really don't, it doesn't make sense to put those in just yet. Because we still gotta put this in.
Can I put some else? Is it the taller ones or the tiny ones?
Actually, what we're going to do is we are actually going to put this in here first. So this has a pre-existing hole, and so does this. We're gonna use one of the long nails, and we're just gonna put this just like that. And then we're going to make sure that it's on there. I'm going to do this part. Because I didn't want my fingers smashed. Okay, so now all we're going to do is we're going to take the front part, and we are just going to put the nails in, the long nails in these pre-existing holes. Is it in there? Oh yeah. Okay, you want to do another one? Put it right here. There you go. Okay. So we're just gonna hit these nails in. And that is it for this one. Let me see if there's any.
It's backwards.
It's backwards. Okay, so there are no stickers for this, but we are going to let him put the sticker on the side of the house.
Should we put it this way?
No, the other way. Yep. Good job. And that is it for
These?
this. Oh yeah.
Mm.
Okay, so we'll
Yeah.
put
Yeah.
these little things on there. And that is it for the Build and Grow Home Tweet Home birdhouse. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that way you guys could see more cool stuff put together, and it would be easier for you guys to find our channel also. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys see any other kits like this that we haven't done on this channel yet, let us know in the comment box below, and we will get those out as soon as possible. Stay safe, guys, and we'll see you in our next one.
Bye.